LTMG Machinery Group Company Limited was founded in 2001, and it is a modern, large-scale machinery manufacturing enterprise specializing in the production of construction machinery. The company is headquartered in Xiamen and has branches in multiple locations, including Xiamen and Shandong, specializing in loaders and excavators, with a total factory area covering 100,000 square meters. We boast 8 complete mechanical production lines, with an annual production capacity of up to 20,000 units of equipment. With over 20 years of mechanical production experience, our factory is equipped with nearly 100 advanced equipment, such as OTC welding robots, Trumpf laser benches, Zeiss coordinate measuring machines, and various special test benches, covering the entire process of product production. The scientifically perfected production line and numerous novel exterior design patents enable LTMG to provide customers with one-stop services, including ODM and OEM product customization according to their requirements. The current product range includes excavators, loaders, graders, road rollers, bulldozers, and other construction machinery. Furthermore, in support of the National Peak Carbon Dioxide Emissions and Carbon Neutrality Development Policy, LTMG actively explores advanced technologies such as new energy and structural lightweight to achieve strategic product transformation and high-quality development. To achieve the needs of global customers, LTMG has independently built a comprehensive network of marketing channels and established a complete sales and after-sales service system. We actively benchmark against strict product testing standards in overseas markets. All products have successfully passed numerous authoritative certifications from international organizations such as CE, ISO, Intertek, etc., which have won the widespread trust of domestic and foreign customers and established a brand image of high-end, high-quality, and environmental protection. Customers from around the world visited the LTMG machinery production base for an in-depth tour, gaining valuable insights into our advanced product development technology. With its excellent quality and customer satisfaction, it has achieved a high repurchase rate of 65% within 5 years, breaking the barriers of each overseas market in a short time, and further deepening the relationship between the two sides. LTMG has 50 agents in 22 countries currently, including Canada, Brazil, Australia, Russia, and Turkey, with products exported to more than 180 countries and regions worldwide. LTMG continually upgrades its digital customer relationship management, manufacturing execution system, enterprise resource planning, improving team service efficiency. We provide regular professional training, overseas exhibitions, and various team-building activities for employees, offering a platform for sustainable development. At the same time, LTMG actively performs its social responsibilities by leading employees in charitable and public welfare activities, spreading the seeds of love. As we look ahead to the future, LTMG will steadfastly maintain our corporate philosophy of practical innovation, dedicated to delivering top-tier products and services to our customers, all aimed at generating greater value for society.